Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python programming learning journey. Today we're going to dive into one of the most fundamental concepts in programming, conditional statements. Let's start with below real-world examples. If it's raining, you'll take an umbrella. If it's sunny and you're feeling lazy, you'll just go out in your pajamas. If it's sunny and you're feeling energetic, you'll wear your fanciest clothes. If it's neither raining nor sunny, maybe it's cloudy, and you're feeling lazy, you'll stay home and binge-watch your favorite series. Otherwise, you'll go out in comfortable clothes. So in above examples, did you notice you are taking decision on base of condition? So same we have to do in conditional statements lecture today. Conditional statements are a crucial part of any programming language. They allow us to make decisions in our code, which is essential for creating dynamic and responsive programs. Without them, our programs would be linear and lack the ability to respond to different inputs or situations. The if statement allows you to execute a block of code if a certain condition is true. The condition can be any expression that evaluates to a Boolean value, true or false. If the condition is true, the code block indented below the if statement will be executed. If the condition is false, the code block will be skipped.
The block of code following the else if in Python, the statement is executed as the condition present in the if statement is false after calling the statement which is not in the block. Before to start practice if-else in Python, please have a look if and then if-else flowcharts which will make easy for you to understand the if-else programs. So let's start coding. Check if a number is positive, negative or zero in this video. We'll explain a Python program that determines whether a given number is positive, negative or zero. Let's dive into the code. We took a variable num and assign a value 10 to this variable. We'll write a conditional statement. If number is greater than 0, we'll print message positive number. We'll change the value of num variable and we'll execute the else block. So let's change it to -10, which will not fulfill the statement. If so, we'll go to else and we'll print the given message. Let's add if block for number 0. So if we have number 0, it means the second condition, so if block will be executed. Comparison of two numbers with conditional statements. We took two numbers a and b. Then with if conditions will compare the numbers. First condition will be executed if both numbers are equal. Code of second condition will be executed if a greater than b. Code of third condition will be executed if a smaller than b. If above 3 conditions not fulfilled, then else block will be executed. We'll change the values in both variables and we'll test our program. Assigning the value 2024 to the variable year. This is the year we want to determine whether it's a leap year or not. The if statement checks whether the given year is a leap year or not. It does this using a combination of conditions connected with logical operators. The condition year %40 and year %100. 0 checks if the year is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100. This condition ensures that most years divisible by 4 are considered leap years, except for years that are also divisible by 100, unless they are divisible by 400. In the given code, year inside the f string is an expression that evaluates to the value stored in the variable year. When the string is formatted using f year is not a leap year, year is replaced with the value of year before the string is printed. This way, you can dynamically insert variable values into strings without needing to concatenate them explicitly. If none of the conditions are met, the else block is executed, and the message year is not a leap year is printed. This means the given year is not a leap year according to the conditions specified. A, B, and C are variables that hold the numbers you want to compare. Here they are 5, 10, and 3 respectively. The if statement checks if A is greater than or equal to both B and C. If it is, A is the largest. The elif statement checks if B is greater than or equal to both A and C. If it is, B is the largest. If neither of the above conditions is true, then C is the largest. String is a variable that holds the text hello world. Substring is a variable that holds the text world. This line checks whether the text stored in substring world is part of the text stored in string hello world. If world is found inside hello world, this line will execute. It prints the message the string contains world. If world is not found inside hello world, this part will execute instead. It prints the message the string does not contain world. The program checks whether a number is even or odd by using the modulus operator to determine if there is a remainder when the number is divided by 2. If there is no remainder, the number is even, and the program prints a message stating that. If there is a remainder, the number is odd, and the program prints a message stating that. The program uses a series of if, and else statements to determine the grade based on the value of marks. It checks the conditions in descending order from highest grade to lowest. Once a condition is met, the corresponding grade is printed, and the program does not check the subsequent conditions. If no conditions for grades A, B, C, or D are met, the program defaults to printing grade F. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood Python conditional statements. Please don't forget to practice more coding exercises on this topic, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask in comments section. See you in the next video.